Hi everyone. Let's go ahead and see how you can create your Google account and how you can claim $300 in free credit. You need to come to google.com, search here GCP 300 credit, and then click on free trial, free tier service and the products. To claim 300 free credit, you need to have a Google account. So I have logged in with my Google account, kgptalkie@gmail.com. Thereafter, you need to click on here. Then click on get started for free. As you can see there, before we get started with that, it said there 300 in free credit. But only condition with this is here that we have to consume this $300 in 90 days, which we can definitely do. If you are beginner, you are trying to learn Google Cloud products or GCP or Gemini, then I suggest you get started with this. Thereafter, you can change your account and then you can maybe claim another $300. Let's go ahead and click on agree and continue. Thereafter, here I have to put my payment information, but as it says here that it is still free, collecting the payment information only help them to verify and reduce the fraud. That's all. So I have to add my payment information and some of the contact information. So I'm going to stop this video. I'll add these payment information and other things, and then I'll just click on this start free. Thereafter, it will continue. All right. As you can see here, after filling my contact information, it has created here organization ID. Thereafter, I need to provide here a payment information. Here, I need to either provide a credit card or I can link a UPI QR code here. If it is India, then you can add here UPI key. Otherwise, if it is, let's say, US or Europe, then you can add here a credit card. So I selected credit card. Thereafter, I entered all the details. And now you can here see my account is activated here. In my account, I have received here $300. As you can notice here, in Indian rupees, I'm having 26,781 Indian rupees. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and close this. As you see here, everything is working as expected. If you want, you can activate your full account by clicking there. That notification just gone for me. Otherwise, you can click on here itself and then you can activate your full account. But actually, you don't need to activate this full account unless you really want to activate this and you want to connect your credit card with this account here. So you have got all these free credit. You can get started with your project. Once you have consumed all these free credit, thereafter, if you want, then you can activate. Only after that, they will start charging your credit card. Otherwise, till then, you will not be charged anything. That is what Google says. Perfect. So this is how you can create the Google account and in fact, Google Cloud account. And this is how you can claim your $300 credit. This is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.